Another wildfire just broke out right here in San Joaquin County. The Liberty Fire burned over 27 acres. But thankfully, our firefighters moved quickly and got it contained. But we can't keep asking firefighters to do more with less. Wildfire season is getting longer, fires are getting more dangerous, and communities like ours are facing risk earlier and earlier every single year. This is a crisis that is only going to get worse if Washington continues to ignore it. And that's why I introduced legislation to change things and actually invest in the people on the front lines. My bill helps train and hire more firefighters and gives them better tools to respond faster when fires break out. The Liberty Fire was contained, but the next one might not be so simple. That's why I'm fighting to make sure our community is ready.